Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to pop the hood, grab the handle right there, pull it back. To release the safety, come over here, and you're going to pull up on the latch. That'll come up and pull up on the prop rod. Stick it right there. To pull the bulb out, we're going to disconnect the connector back here. Just grab the connector, pull it back, just like that. There's no lock on the connector, it just slides on. You can set that aside. There's a rubber grommet that goes around the housing of the headlight. You can pull that off so that we can access the bulb. This comes off just like that. There's a retainer that holds the bulb in. So you're going to push down on this little retainer, and then it's like a lock, and then that'll move to the side. It feels kind of like a paper clip, and then we can pull the bulb straight out. Pull it out just like that. This bulb is a 9003. We're going to reinstall this bulb. You want to make sure you do not touch the glass with your fingers. The oils from your hands will cause the bulb to burn out faster. When we install this, we're going to install this with this tab on the top. So keep that in mind when you're putting it in. So we pulled this headlight assembly out so that you could see how the bulb actually worked a little bit easier. So to remove the bulb, you have this little retainer. So you're going to push this down and it's going to slide up, and then we're going to pull this and move it out of our way, and you can grab the bulb and pull it out. To reinstall, remember, do not touch the glass of the bulb. And then this tab, the bigger tab, is going to go to the top. Slide that in the slot and the other two slots like that, and then just take this lock, and you're going to go and slide this down, push this down, and lock it in. Now we're going to take this rubber piece that goes over the light assembly and push that on. Make sure the bulb terminals come through the center. And we'll take our socket and slide it back onto the bulb terminals. And the passenger side would be the same. Put the prop rod down right there. Close the hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.